Okay, I got all my parts here. I'll mount this to the roof. This is a mobile home, so not too many places to mount it here. So I'm gonna go with the corner. That's solid anyway. Corner of the peak, because I got trees right over there and my ground is on the back side by the electrical meter, and the fuse net is in the way over there. So we'll mount it up over here. Nice solid framework up here in the corner. Little bubble there. Little. There we go. We're in Southern California. It's pretty much open just about anywhere except for when you're right in front of trees, so finding a spot isn't too difficult. Put these strip supports. One thing I found after coming out here from Cleveland is that these guys don't like using both monopoles for some reason, which ends up becoming a service call because the dish is loose and out of alignment. I'm usually pulling up somebody's roofing. Do a nice little triangle tripod support going that way. Now I know they want you to pre-drill these holes. I've been doing it as long as I have. You know how to mount it without doing that. Most guys out there have been doing this for a while, know what I'm talking about. But I don't know if you could see that one out in the distance. One monopole. You can see it from here. That one too. For some reason, these guys don't like doing it the right way. We did that back in Ohio. Backcharge City. Alright, that one's on there. We're going to put this one up here, because that is where the framing is the strongest, along the ridge line. And for some reason, they don't like using tape sealant underneath their mounting brackets. Why? I'll never know. Tight. Now I can retune the dish in. See, it's got no give whatsoever, and you actually use 2 monopoles instead of 1 and mount it the proper way. Alright, I'm going to pause again so I can go get my meter and I'll repeat this dish in. GoPro, stop recording.